The Growth Faculty is proud to present the 4 Disciplines of Execution. 40X is an internationally proven formula used by Australia's most successful companies, including ANZ, Roads and Maritime Services, and Pfizer.
Because there's a little switch in people's heads called game on.
Turn strategy into action. Create an execution culture. Deliver on your most important strategic priorities. A one-day workshop presented by Wall Street Journal's #1 best-selling author, Chris McChesney. 40X produces extraordinary results by tapping into the desire to win that exists in every individual. By providing real, practical game plans, Chris provides delegates with the ability to make immediate change within their organisation.
There was a massive increase in accountability, and morale and engagement went up.
As a delegate, you gain practical steps to focus your team's energy on a winnable game. Do more with less. Improve engagement and instill peer accountability.
What he delivers is not just an enthusiastic presentation, but he's actually changing your work culture as you sit there and listen.
He has just energised the room, and he's broken down something that's so complex into something so simple, and we want to bring him into our business.
The 4 Disciplines of Execution is a simple, proven formula that drives accountable execution and passion-driven commitment. Don't let your team miss out on this highly anticipated event. The 4 Disciplines of Execution, presented by Chris McChesney. Coming to Sydney on the 16th of September, Melbourne on the 18th, and Brisbane on the 20th of September. Book now.